Hey guys, what's up? So today I was about to fix my guitar and I decided, you know what, let me record myself because I know many of you are curious about how I'm always saying that I fix stuff, and usually I forget. I'm just so into fixing stuff that I forget to make a video about it. But you know, hopefully this will be an easy fix. If it's not, I won't post a video. So I have this Stagg acoustic guitar that I really love, and it has a tuner and this works just fine. But the issue I have is with the output. This one works just fine. This one doesn't work. When it starts crackling, you know, making some noise, and if you mess with the cable, it starts working. Usually when that happens, it can be a faulty cable. On this case, I tried several cables, XLR cables, no one worked. I'm assuming it's a faulty cable inside a faulty connection. So well, I have to open up and see. On this case, I don't have to take out the strings. Okay, I'll leave it there, so it's here. I do have this control here, but the issue I'm having is here. So I'm going to start here. So let's start by removing these screws. Okay, it has 4 screws, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to start doing. Oh, actually, before that, I'm going to take the battery. So it has a battery here, you can see. So let's take the battery. Here it comes. Okay, awesome. Okay, so it comes all together. It does have a connection here that it goes to the microphone. I'm going to unplug it so I can take this out. And it has this guiding system, so you can only connect it in the right way, which is really cool, so I don't have to take notes. So let me just turn it around so it won't go inside the guitar. There you go. Okay. All right, so we have a closed system. Not very good. Just doing a check here, and everything seems to be working fine. Oh wait. Here you go. You see these connections here from these two. These ones are fine, these 4 ones. But you see these ones in the bottom, they look very loose. I don't like the way this looks, and I'm going to weld it. As you can see, these are the connections from for the XLR, the one that we're trying to fix. So now let's grab my guitar and let's put this thing here, and remember connecting the cable first. So let's pick the cable. Yeah, I think it's like this. Okay, it's there, and now it's the other side. Yes, it is. Okay, it's like this. Okay. If you're curious and you're wondering, like, because I said earlier, you know, before being an engineer, I was already fixing stuff. I think that all started with my dad. We moved houses a lot when I was younger. Some of the furnitures, the beds and stuff, they dismount the parts and then mount them again, you know, in the other house. And I remember being super young and watching my dad putting the bed together and the furniture back together, and I always thought, wow, my dad is like a genius. How can he do that? And I thought it was so interesting, and I was always watching him learning. I learned a lot with my dad, and I guess that's how it all started. Let's put the batteries. Hopefully it won't explode. We have power. I don't know if you can see the lights in the tuner and the thing there. Okay, so it's working. There's that. Well, now let's test the sound. Let's start with the jack entry that we knew that it was working. My interface lights when it has signals. Okay, so this one is working. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's coming out from the interface. Okay, so the jack entry is working just fine. So here's the cable, the XLR cable. Okay, here we go. Oh, I saw a nice, beautiful sign, green sign there of signal. I liked it. Let's see if it's working. Oh, it's working, guys. I fixed it. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it. So it was that stupid pin, right? It's too loud. I know, I put my guitar too loud. And so let's just move it along, see if it's working fine. This is something you should test. Remember, a guitar is going everywhere all the time, so all right, okay, so we fixed it. Awesome, points for me. So that means that this video is going online. All right, that's it. Hope you like it, and I hope this video helps. So thank you for hanging for the full video. You guys are heroes. Please do subscribe my channel, leave a like and leave a comment if you have something that if you have a doubt, okay, or if this video helps you fixing something, leave a comment.